Hello everyone, I wanted to wish you a slightly belated Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And I want to make a special shout out for PCBWay, which sent me their annual care package while I was away. So I got all the good stuff. They have the best merch. And they even bestowed me with the Partner of the Year award. I think they were very generous because we didn't do too much PCB this year. Or the ones we did, I haven't had time to put out the videos from them. So I'll take advantage of this shootout to give you a preview of what's coming up with their beautiful PCBs. Most of them are from Eric, so I don't have them all here, but one is going to be a really nice video. It's the Apollo FDAI, the famous 8-ball indicator that moves in all directions. And Eric made this crazy board to control all the axes. We have action. And it has 3 analog axes for rotation and then I think 6 needles, something like that. It requires a weird phase, 3-phase synchro signals to at high voltage to be made, so he made a super complicated but really neat contraption. There's another one that you don't see here, that's for the IBM 1401 in the Computer History Museum. It's going to be a tape emulator. What else do we have? Yeah, so for the second time I have used their 3D printing and metal cutting service here to make some parts. I have adapted an Instax back to my HP camera so I can use the new Polaroid format with the old camera, and that was very successful. Just first pass, I got my production parts. Another one that's coming with this little ECBC PCBs here. I'm going to transform this Nixie frequency counter into a clock in a reversible way. So it's a fake IC that I replaced with the normal IC inside, and that would allow me to convert it. But I still think our best collab today has been the Apollo control board. They're just so fantastic in their special gray color. That's another of Eric's creation. So hopefully I'll see you on the channel throughout the year, and thanks again PCBWay for sending us quality PCBs and quality merch every year. So belated Merry PCBWay Christmas and Happy New Year to you all. I wish you a lot of successful electronic projects. I just uploaded most of these as shared projects on the PCBWay website, so if you want to order a duplicate of our PCBs, all you need to do is click, link in the doodly-doo of course. See you in the next episodes!